Meteorologist Francis Payton.
Well, today is a beautiful day for you to get prepared for the winter storm that we are going to be dealing with starting late tonight as we're tracking this low pressure system move across the area. We have a gorgeous view from our sky tracker, hardly a cloud in sight from Richmond International Airport. Temperatures right now at this noon hour sitting in the mid to upper 30s as you're heading out. Doesn't feel too bad though when we finally see the sunshine. Also probably brings a smile to your face as well. Highs today will be in the upper 30s to the lower 40s, and basically just looking at variable cloud cover, just reviewing that low pressure system that we will be dealing with right now. It's off the coast of southern Texas. Also, in combining with this low pressure, we have an additional low pressure that's currently off the east coast of Florida. Both of those are going to track northward, which will provide us with that winter storm and the energy that we will be dealing with tomorrow. In conglomeration with these two low pressure systems, we have a high pressure system that's going to settle in Canada, and that'll usher in some very dry and as well as cold air that we'll be dealing with. So overnight lows are going to be below freezing, overnight lows around the mid to the upper 20s. Also tonight, we'll see a winter storm warning in effect from 1 o'clock through Friday morning at 7 o'clock. Now, the reason why it is a winter storm warning rather than an ice warning is because we're going to start off with some snow showers and then see that icing take effect. So that's why we're dealing with a winter storm warning rather than the ice storm warning. The only areas that are excluded from this warning are the Northern Neck, Middle Peninsula, and basically the Virginia Beach area. Other than that, the entire state or the entire Commonwealth is under that winter storm warning. Just taking you through the hour by hour, the rest of the day does remain dry, but overnight, looking about 3 o'clock in the morning, starting to see some snow showers along the Interstate or I-81 corridor and throughout the Blue Ridge Mountains. Then that energy continues to creep northward. We'll expect to see some snow showers, some flurries within the overnight hours, stopping this at 5 o'clock in the morning. Then start to see that transition to sleet and then freezing rain. The only difference between sleet and freezing rain, sleet is going to be that solid form of the raindrop, but with the freezing rain, it's going to be rain that then freezes on impact. So either way, travel conditions are not going to be ideal for tomorrow morning, even into the afternoon hours. Likely not going to be ideal. The other issue that this icing poses will be some power outages, and it appears that the area that will be hardest hit once again will be along the Interstate I-85 corridor. So basically areas that are still recovering from last week's system will once again have to recuperate and recover from this week's system. As far as snowfall totals, it won't be too impressive, at least for central Virginia, but areas in the northwestern portion of the state and throughout the Shenandoah Valley are looking at some decent snowfall. What we are most concerned about is this potential of seeing some ice accumulation ranging from 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Other areas looking at a band that's going to lie along the really near Lynchburg, Farmville, parts of Cumberland counties. That's what we are most concerned about, is seeing areas could potentially see more than 1/2 inch of ice. Behind that system, we at least have sunshine over the weekend. Cheryl?
Thank you, Francis. Coming up today on the CBS